How to draw a cat on a phone. I sat in the corner of my favorite cafe, staring at my phone screen in frustration. I wanted to draw an adorable cat, but every stroke on the screen felt off. Why does my cat look more like a potato with legs? I muttered. As I scrolled through social media, I came across a post by a digital artist showing simple steps to draw a cat. Basic guidelines, simple shapes first, then details. Maybe that's the secret? I thought. With renewed enthusiasm, I decided to try again. I followed the steps I had learned. Start with basic shapes. I drew a circle for the head and an oval for the body. Add guidelines. I sketched lines to determine the positions of the eyes, nose, and ears. Shape the body and face. Slowly, I drew triangular ears, a curved tail, and tiny paws. Details and coloring. I added a cute expression with big eyes and a tiny nose, then gave my cat a soft fur color. The drawing was starting to look like a real cat. I felt satisfied, but something still seemed missing. Just as I was about to give up, I remembered the advice from the digital artist. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every line is part of the learning process. With confidence, I refined the final strokes and added lighting effects. Now, my cat looked alive. I smiled in satisfaction. Turns out, drawing on a phone is all about practice and patience, I thought. I uploaded my artwork, and soon after, I received positive comments from my friends. That was the beginning of my journey as a digital artist.